Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to make some delicious bacon wrapped asparagus. Yes, quick as 1, 2, 3. Stay tuned for the ingredients.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. It's about time I'm waking up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you said I didn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? If you had it, that's on nothing. I'll take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. If you had it, that's on nothing. I'll take you there.
Alright guys, here are our simple ingredients that we will be needing for our bacon wrapped asparagus. So we have some thick cut bacon, pork bacon, you can use turkey as well. We have our asparagus, and we're just going to need some pepper, and I'm going to use some Buffalo Wild Wings bourbon honey mustard, okay? So that's it, and I'll be right back to get started wrapping these babies up. The bacon and asparagus has been rinsed off. So there's 2 ways you can do these, okay? Because you don't want this woody part. It's very woody, okay? And you can just either let it snap where it please, just gently, can you see? Gently like that, or you can go ahead, line them up here, make sure it's even in a bunch, or you know, however you want, line them up. And I usually go up here. I don't know how much, but if you can see me in here, so we're gonna pull this closer. And I just go here and just take off all of that. Simple. 1, 2, 3. So you do those, and then we're gonna come and start. Because this is woody, you don't want it. You can't chew it. It's like eating a branch, okay? And we're just gonna go here and take it off. All right, so there we have it. We're gonna throw these away, and then we're gonna go ahead and start wrapping our asparagus and the bacon. Be right back. All right, so as you can see, I already started wrapping some of them. So what we're gonna do is put them in a bunch just like this, like so. And then we're going to secure the bottom and make sure it wraps around so that it won't move and budge while we are cooking these up. Like that. And just keep twirling. And I will push this down because it'll start slipping a little bit, but you got this. Just like that. In the tuck part, you're going to lay it down like that. And then so on with the next one, okay? So, easy as 1, 2, 3. I hope you guys are having a blessed day. Thank you for watching my last video. And if you're new here, welcome to the channel. I hope you consider subscribing and joining the family. We just want to love on you as you love on us, okay? All we do is cook some delicious food, sometimes lives. This ain't happening, okay? Let's start over. Because we want to make sure it's wrapped tight, okay? At the starter, so it won't budge. And like I said, it starts slipping a little bit, you just put it down. So yeah, do some food vlogs, cooking. I do some lives sometime, and giveaways and all that good stuff. So stay tuned for more delicious meals. You are welcome here, and I appreciate you spending time with me. All right, so now we're gonna get these babies prepped up. I'm gonna go wash my hands, and I'll be right back. So I poured some of our bourbon honey mustard sauce there, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of cayenne pepper. This is optional, and mix it up. I like a little heat to my dishes. Nothing too spicy to where I'm like, you know what I mean? And I'm gonna blend that out. Then we're just gonna come in with some fresh cracked black pepper. Go ahead and coat that like that. And we're gonna let it cook a little bit in the pan before start adding our bourbon honey mustard sauce, okay? And so that's it. So we're gonna let our pan heat up, and I'll be right back so we can get to cooking. Okay guys, so we are heating up our pan, okay? And we're going to add our bacon wrapped asparagus to the pan. And we're going to keep flipping just so that we make sure that the bacon in the asparagus cooks down, okay? Look at that. I'm so ready to eat. All right. Make sure the folded flat part is down in the pan. Okay? The part that we wrapped, and you're going to make sure that end is face down in the pan. I'm not adding any grease. We know that bacon makes its own grease, so no need for that. And then when I flip it and flip it back around, then I'll start basting it with our bourbon honey mustard sauce that we mix with a little bit. I'll add a little bit of cayenne pepper too. All right, so I'll be right back. All right, so we're gonna start slightly turning them around like so. Ready. See, you can kind of see if it's ready to actually do what it's needed to do. Okay? So as I said, we're just trying to make sure we're cooking this well done. And the bacon does start stribbling, so you're going to have to adjust it accordingly. And I'll add a little bit more pepper to some of these. And on the top. Ooh, this is about to be delicious. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do is just start brushing lightly on our bourbon honey mustard. Just lightly. Okay. On all sides. Okay guys, we're going to brush the next side, and then these babies will be done and ready to eat. Be right back. All right guys, there we go. So delicious, so quick and simple. Oh my goodness. You guys are going to love this, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you make this recipe, leave me a message in the comment section. All right, so let's give one a try, guys.
Hey, season, we cook it, fold it. Hey. Sizzle and pop, sizzle and pop, sizzle, sizzle, sizzle and pop. Jill comfort zone. Jill comfort zone.
That's delicious.
We season, we cook it, we eat it. We season, we cook it, we eat it.
All right.
We season, we cook it.
Well, I love you guys. Stay blessed. And peace out.
Bring the flavor.
Until next time.
Bring the flavor.
Later.
Jill comfort zone. Jill comfort zone. Sizzle and pop. Sizzle and pop. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle and pop.